So today we will do a project on numbers, specifically on odd and even numbers. As you can see, we have some random numbers here, and I will call you one by one. You will come here and pick a number from here. Then you will see if the number is odd or even. If the number is odd, then where you will stick it? In this section. If the number is even, and you will stick the number in even section. Did you get it?
Okay.
Okay, let's start. Tasneem, pick a number. Yes, good. What is this?
It's even.
It's an even number. Show it in here. Show it in here. It's an even number, right? Okay. Good. Very good. Yes, good job. Raya, pick a number.
This is an odd number.
Good job. Okay, now stick it in our section. Stick it here. Good job.